Stephanie from Antioch, California is kind of tensioned out.
Yeah, that was because she came across this. Whoa, what happened? Oh, dang, I hit the wrong button.
What am I doing here?
Nothing. It says, no, you were right. I hit the wrong thing here.
No, just pretend I'm Biden. He copied that for me.
Salute Marine. Okay, ready when you are.
Stephanie from Antioch, California seems a little tensioned out.
Yeah, because one day she was walking out there, Tom, and she came across this. I know just in case anybody's wondering, that's a little hole in her foundation, and that's a little cable hanging out of there. And Stephanie writes, I have a post-tension foundation, obviously enough, and recently I found a cable has come loose from the foundation. How serious a problem is this, Tom, and what's the best fix?
Well, the best fix is to call a post-tension repair company, and they'll recable it, because there's a sleeve inside that foundation where they can pull it out. It's like snaking a wire through conduit. They'll bring in a new cable and they'll retension it, and they'll cover that hole with a little grout, and it'll be fine if you want to. Now, how serious is it? There's a lot of foundations out there that have broken cables that are performing the way they need to perform. And the reason is if you have a good engineer that designs it and he designs it properly, there's room for a little problem here and there because everything else is a little over-designed. And so you probably aren't going to have a problem at all. But if it's concerning you and you want to have someone come out and take a look at it, it's not a bad idea. And it can be recabled and retensioned if it needs to.
So it's something you want to take care of, but it's not the end of the world. I mean,
yeah, I wouldn't lose sleep over it. And you might have somebody come out and say, you know what, you really don't need to fix it. Everything else is fine. It has a lot to do with expansive soils. I know from my experience living in California for a while and what I know about California, they don't have a lot of expansive soils. It's not a big issue like it is in the Houston area or all the Gulf Coast, all the way through the Panhandle in Florida, Alabama, and of course Louisiana. They've got some real issues. Mm-hmm. And so that's when it gets to be a lot more important to make sure everything is just right. But California is pretty dry and it's pretty consistent on the ground. So I don't think there's a lot of foundation problem, except I don't know every square inch of California. It's a big state.
Nothing gets by you, Tom.
Okay.
I'm just saying it's a big state. All right.
It is, yes.
you got a question. You want a quiz, Tom? Go ahead and come here and fill out that button. I point because my camera's backward here from what you see, and it gets disorienting when you do this. You want to point, you're pointing that way. No, you're pointing this way. Anyway, the blue button, punch it, fill it out, send it in. Tom will answer it. We'll post it at HomeShowRadio.com, our Facebook page, and, of course, our YouTube channel.